What's going on, guys? What to do? So this video is just going to be an updated apartment tour. So this time last year I posted a studio apartment tour when I first moved in. So it was just kind of not basic, but it wasn't the way I wanted it to look because I just moved in. So now that I had everything that I want in my apartment, I have my balcony furniture, I have my accents, and I switched things around as well. And it's also holiday season, so I have my tree up. It's very festive in here, and the aesthetic right now is just the way I want it. So I figured I'd just film an updated apartment tour so you can see what I added, changed, and things like that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It's just going to be an aesthetic version. I'm not going to be talking of where I got things from. You can check out my first apartment tour video up here, and you can see where I got things from, how much it costs, things like that. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and have a great holiday season. So let's get on to it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that version of my apartment tour. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and have a great day.